Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Locket picture easily. First, open your Locket app, which usually has a distinctive icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once the app is open, scroll through your feed until you locate the specific photo you want to remove permanently. A simple tap on this image will expand it to fill your screen, preparing it for the next step in the deletion process. After opening your picture in full screen mode, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you will typically find a menu icon, which often appears as 3 small dots arranged either vertically or horizontally. Tapping this inconspicuous icon will prompt a small menu to slide into view, presenting several actions you can take. Carefully scan through these options to locate the Clear Delete command, which is essential for removing your photo. Once you select the Delete option, the Locket app will present you with a crucial confirmation prompt. This step is designed to act as a safeguard, ensuring that you do not accidentally remove any cherished memories. Take a moment to read the message, which will typically ask you to confirm your decision. To proceed and permanently erase the picture from your Locket feed, simply tap Delete one more time on this confirmation screen, completing the process effectively. Upon successfully confirming the deletion, you will observe that the chosen picture has instantly vanished from your Locket feed. It is a good practice to always double-check the image you intend to delete before tapping that final confirmation. Please keep in mind that once a picture is deleted from Locket, this action is permanent. There is no undo button or recovery option available. Exercise caution to avoid losing photos you wish to keep forever.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.